We all make numerous decisions in our lives. What should I wear today? What kind of car should I drive? Should I buy a house or rent? Should I change my major to management now that I've seen the wonders of this amazing class? Knowledge of effective decision-making processes has the potential to immediately help you manage your life in a meaningful way. Decision-making refers to selecting choices among alternative courses of action, including doing nothing. The Latin origins of the word decision refer to the idea of cutting something off. In other words, cutting off one possibility while moving another forward. Will Rogers put it this way: even if you're on the right track, you'll get run over if you just sit there. We also discussed different types of decisions. For example, program decisions are nearly automatic decisions that occur with such frequency that rules can be developed. For example, Einstein often wore similar outfits every day and avoided wearing socks to make his clothing decisions more efficient. In contrast, non-programmed decisions occur with less frequency. When these decisions are particularly important, individuals are encouraged to rely on the rational decision-making model. This model follows a series of steps that involve problem identification, establishing and weighing criteria based on importance, generating and evaluating alternatives, selecting the best option and implementing the decision, and then evaluating the quality of the decision. This process can be particularly valuable for big decisions, such as buying a car or home or selecting a new job. While the rational decision-making model is a useful benchmark for making decisions, we don't always have the time or information needed to use this model effectively. Our ability to act rationally has limitations, and so we often rely on intuitive decisions. And in some cases, we need to learn how to make creative decisions, and we explore some ideas for this process, as well as effective group decision-making. We can also learn a lot about how to make good decisions by gaining knowledge resulting from poor decision-making. Will Rogers also had a great quote surrounding this notion. He said, "Good judgment comes from experience, and a lot of that comes from bad judgment." So we spend a lot of time examining common decision-making biases that can be identified and hopefully avoided. Research has found that groups rarely outperform their best member in regards to decision-making, so it's important to understand and digest ways to engage in effective group and team decision-making to manage situations where this is a necessity. We can always hone our own personal decision-making skills. We all make decisions individually as well as when we are part of a group, and knowledge of effective decision-making will help you make those decisions better.